In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to lock your sales territories. Now, what exactly does that mean, lock a sales territory? It basically means that you put a lock on a territory to prevent any changes from being made to that territory. I like to use it when I'm completing a sales territory design to keep track of all the territories that I've completed. And it also makes sure that I don't make changes to those completed territories. So let's say we've completed our territory design for our New England territories, and I'd like to lock some of these territories. To lock those territories, you simply right-click on a territory and then click on the lock button. When you do that, you'll see a lock appear in the center of that territory. You can now no longer select anything in that territory. Even using the touch align tool, trying to go into that territory, you are unable to because it is locked. To unlock that territory, you can then right-click on that same territory and then click on Unlock. There is a keyboard shortcut that you can use so you can bypass that radial tool. And if you click and hold L on your keyboard, it will toggle the lock tool while using any of your alignment tools. So while holding L, you simply click on the territory you want to lock, and then you can lock all of them just like that. And then when you let go of the L button, your tool will revert back to whatever tool you were using. So let's now click and hold L again, and now click back on main. When you do that, you now unlock that territory. So the L button on your keyboard is used to lock and unlock your sales territories. You can also lock territories from the territory table view. To open up that view, click here on the plus button to open up a new tab, select tables, and then click on territories. And here you will see which sales territories are currently locked. And we can lock every territory on our map by clicking this button here, and it will select all of our sales territories. Going back to our first tab, you'll now see there's a lock on all of them. And there you go. You've just learned how to lock your sales territories.